I think Georgia should be ranked ahead of Texas A&M, and BYU is not receiving the respect it deserves. All of that and much more on your favorite weekly show. This is College Football Reactions and Hot Takes following Week 13. Take 1. Georgia is the best team in the SEC. I get that Texas A&M is undefeated and has a win over Notre Dame, who's also a playoff team. But Georgia also has wins against Ole Miss, Tennessee, and Texas. Let's compare that to Texas A&M. Texas A&M has 2 wins against teams that are above 500, Utah State and Notre Dame. Let's cancel out Ole Miss for Georgia and Notre Dame for Texas A&M. I would say the wins that Georgia has are better than Texas A&M's. I also think there needs to be more put into the teams that you've beaten versus your record. Again, this video is called Hot Takes for a reason. I just think that because Georgia has better wins than Texas A&M, they should be ranked ahead of Texas A&M. Before I give you my thoughts on the BYU disrespect and an SEC team that probably is going to throw a hissy fit for missing the playoff, like this video and follow me, because I make videos with bad sports takes just like this one every single week. Take 2. What BYU has done is more impressive than what Indiana and Ohio State have done. Ohio State has 5 wins over bowl-eligible teams. Indiana has 4. BYU has 6. 6 wins over teams with winning records, and there's a shot they don't make the playoff. I think that should be an issue. At the time of the games being played, BYU has 3 wins over top 25 teams. Indiana and Ohio State both only have 2. Now, I'm not trying to argue a hypothetical that BYU is a better team than Indiana and Ohio State, because I honestly don't believe that. I just believe that a team like this should be in the playoff, no questions asked, because of the teams they've beaten. Take 3. Does Vandy belong in the playoff? If Vandy beats Tennessee this weekend, they will be 10-2 in the SEC. Now, that 10-2 record had some holes because they honestly haven't beaten anyone, but it's still 10-2. They currently have 1 win over a bowl-eligible team. That one team is Missouri. If Vandy beats Tennessee this week, they're going to try to make an argument that they deserve to be in over a second Big 12 team. Personally, I would take them over an ACC team like SMU or Virginia, who is most likely going to get that ACC bid. There needs to be a different system in place that rewards teams who play and have wins over harder opponents. I actually have a pretty good idea for this, so follow me because that video is coming out later this week. Let me know in the comments what you guys disagree with in this video.